Right, when this polynomial is divided by x minus 1, we have the remainder 4. And when divided by x plus 2, remainder 16. So let's use the remainder theorem to work with this. So if x minus 1 is what we're going to divide by, we're going to let x equal 1. So therefore, we have p of x. Actually, I want to say let p and p of x equal. Let's just save me some time later. While I just like writing it like this. It's a personal preference, you don't have to. You could just write all this equals, but I'm going to write p of x equals 1 cubed plus 2 times 1 squared plus a times 1 plus b. So what I've done is I've taken my 1 and placed it wherever x is. Okay, because I've let x equal the 1. And I get this. And if we take that all down, we get 1 plus 2's 3. So we get 3 plus a plus b is going to be what I get for p of x. Now we know the remainder of that is 4. So if the remainder of that is 4, then this must equal 4 using the remainder theorem. Now when I divide by x plus 2, I get a remainder 16. So I'm going to now let x equal minus 2. Now I don't have to write all this out again. So therefore, this implies p of x will equal minus 2 cubed plus 2 times minus 2 squared minus a times by 2, or 2a, let's put the 2 in there, plus b. And we know the remainder of that is 16, so let's write that down. 16 must equal, using the remainder theorem, 8 plus another 8, minus 2 squared is 4, times by 2 is 8, minus 2a plus b. Right, so my first equation, number 1, the first equation, I'm just going to change that a little bit. I'm going to take away the 3 from both sides. I get 1 equals a plus b. And my second equation here, 2 will give us, let's take the 8 away from the 16, so that gives us 0. So we get 0 equals minus 2a plus b. So if we subtract the bottom one, let's call this one 3, and this 4. So if we do 3 minus 4, then we get 1 equals 3a. Therefore, a equals 1/3. And if we substitute that back in, therefore 1 equals a plus 1/3. So it implies, let's just get that on the screen, that implies that sorry, not a, because I just worked out a, that was b plus 1/3 equals 1. So therefore take away 1/3 from both sides and I get b is equal to 2/3. So what I've done is this. So I've taken the a equals 1/3, put it into here. So I get 1 equals 1/3 plus b. So this should be a b plus 1/3 gives us 2/3 is equal to b.